Hello children, today we will discuss general methods of preparation of amines. So the first method of preparation from haloalkanes, which is also known as Hofmann's ammonolysis method, and this method we have already studied in alkyl halide chapter. Okay, so according to this method, when alkyl halide is reacted with alcoholic solution of ammonia, then we get different types of amines with its quaternary salt. Okay, so overall a mixture of different type of amines we are obtained in this method. It is a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction and involves the nucleophilic substitution of the halide ion by the nucleophile azide ion. This NH2 minus ion is known as azide ion. Azide ion. Okay. So in this reaction, NH2 minus ion is acting as a nucleophile, which is furnished by ammonia. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide in this reaction follows the order Ri is greater than Rbr and then Rcl. Why? Because this Ri is having least bond energy. Okay, students. The next method is by reduction of nitro compounds, and this method is very important method for the preparation of amines. So in this method we reduce nitro compound with the help of SN and HCl or Fe and HCl, or in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride or hydrogen and nickel. Okay, students. So any reducing agent we can use for the reduction of nitro compounds, and this reduction is known as, when this reduction is taking place in the presence of metals plus acid, then this is known as acidic reduction of nitro compounds. Okay, students, acidic reduction of nitro compounds. So on reduction, nitro compounds converted in the form of amines. So for example, when a nitromethane is reduced in the presence of nickel or platinum, methenamine is formed. Same way, when nitropropane is reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, propanamine is formed. Then this is one of the most convenient methods for the preparation of aromatic primary amines, because they cannot be prepared easily from the corresponding haloarenes. Okay, students. So for the preparation of aromatic amines, this is the best one method. And for example, we can prepare aniline by the reduction of nitrobenzene in the presence of SN and HCl. The next preparation reaction is by reduction of cyanides. So by the reduction of cyanides we form primary amines. Okay, this is the preparation reaction of primary amines by the reduction of cyanide. Okay, but if you are going to reduce isocyanide, then in that case we will get secondary amines. Okay, students. So cyanide, with the help of cyanide and isocyanide, both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines and secondary amines can be formed. Okay, reducing agents are lithium aluminum hydride or sodium and ethanol, or with hydrogen in the presence of Raney nickel. Okay, students. So according to this reaction, we can reduce this ethane nitrile with lithium aluminum hydride for the preparation of ethanamine. And same way, if phenyl cyanide is reduced, then we will get phenyl methylamine. Okay, and the important thing is that this reducing agent, mixture of sodium and ethanol, is called Mendius reagent, and the reduction reaction which is taking place in the presence of this reagent is known as Mendius reaction. Okay, students. Then next is by Hofmann's bromamide reaction, and this is a very important reaction for the preparation of primary amines, by Hofmann's bromamide reaction. So this is also known as Hofmann's degradation reaction. Hofmann's degradation reaction, because the amine which we form here is having one carbon less than the parent amide compound. Okay, so according to this reaction, when amide is treated with bromine and caustic potash, then we will get primary amine as the main product, potassium carbonate, potassium bromide and water. Okay, degradation reaction, because amine which is formed here is having one carbon less than the parent amide compound. For example, when ethanamide is reacted with bromine and KOH, then we get methanamine. And same way, if propanamide is reacted with bromine and potassium hydroxide, then we will get ethanamine. So one carbon less than the parent amide compound. Okay, students. The next preparation is Gabriel phthalimide reaction, and this is the most convenient method for the preparation of primary amines in pure state. Primary amines in pure state. So in this reaction, phthalimide is used as a starting compound, and this phthalimide can be obtained by heating phthalic acid with ammonia. So the formula of phthalic acid is a benzene ring with 2 carbon of the ring having acidic group at adjacent position. 2 adjacent carbon are having acidic group. So this compound is known as phthalic acid. Okay, so when it is heated with ammonia, we will get phthalimide. So starting compound for Gabriel phthalimide reaction is phthalimide, and when this phthalimide is treated with alcoholic KOH, then we will get potassium phthalimide. This potassium phthalimide is treated with a suitable alkyl halide, and after this we will get N-alkyl phthalimide. This N-alkyl phthalimide, when hydrolyzed with dilute hydrochloric acid under pressure, then we get corresponding primary alkyl or aryl alkyl amine. Okay, so according to this description, as you can see here, this is the phthalimide starting compound. When phthalimide is reacted with potassium hydroxide alcoholic, then we get potassium salt of phthalimide. This potassium salt will reacted with alkyl halide, with suitable alkyl halide, because this type of alkyl halide will decide the type of primary amine which will be formed at last. So alkyl halide, this alkyl halide will give an alkyl phthalimide. So potassium will be replaced by alkyl group. Now this compound is hydrolyzed with dilute HCl under the condition of pressure, then we will get phthalic acid and primary amine as the product. Okay, students. So this is a most convenient method to obtain primary amine in pure state. So significance of this reaction. Gabriel-Thalamide reaction provides a convenient route for the conversion of an alkyl halide into the corresponding primary amine without the formation of secondary and tertiary amines or quaternary salt. So in pure state we can obtain primary amine by this reaction. The next is industrial method of preparation of amines, and from here you are having one method, that is from alcohol. Okay, so this method is used for the manufacture of low molecular mass aliphatic amines. So this is the method for aliphatic amines only. Okay, so in this method a mixture of the vapors of lower alcohol and ammonia is passed over alumina. What is the formula of alumina? Al2O3 at about 633 Kelvin, when a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine is obtained. Okay, so ammonia, vapors of ammonia and alcohols are passed over alumina. Then we will get a mixture of all the types of amines. So first alcohol reacted with ammonia, alcohol vapor with ammonia, primary amine. Then alcohol with primary amine, secondary amine, and the secondary amine with alcohol, tertiary amine. So the composition of the final product mixture depends upon the relative amounts of alcohol and ammonia. Okay students, the next heading is physical properties of amines, and the first is physical state. So the lower amines such as methylamines and dimethylamines are colorless gases at room temperature, while the higher amines are colorless liquids. Okay, lower amines possess a strong odor like that of ammonia. For aromatic amines, these are either colorless liquids or solids having characteristic odor. Then solubility. All three types of aliphatic amines are capable of forming hydrogen bonds with water, and that is why these are soluble in water. Okay, lower members of amines which is having a carbon less than 6 are very soluble in water. The next is boiling points. So boiling point of amines are higher than the hydrocarbons because presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but it is lower than those of alcohols and carboxylic acid, because alcohols are having a stronger hydrogen bond, whereas carboxylic acids are having per molecule 2 hydrogen bonds. Okay students, that is why alcohol and carboxylic acid both are having higher boiling point than corresponding amines.